Mosamseleko and Mangwabe, in their marriage, they basically have 2 children. And it has been known for a long time that Umangwabe has a son outside her marriage. But when she got married, Umusamseleko told her that she can come with her son in her marriage. She moved to Umzumbe alone without her son, and her son was left at home. But now he says he can now live with her because of Mangwabe respects him. And in my mind, I'm like, if you're saying Mangwabe respects you now, what was she doing when you guys got married? Because I don't think Umusamseleko was not a sensible man to get married to a woman who disrespects her. Someone has also said that maybe he wants the son now because he knows that he won't be financially responsible for the son, meaning the son now has graduated. He is a grown adult now. He doesn't need the school fees, he doesn't need the pocket money, all of that. He doesn't need that. So now the son is at an easy age where he can also be financially stable because the son now is working. But for Umusamseleko to say that Umangwabe was not respecting him, I don't think Musamseleko will marry a woman who does not respect him unless he was forced to marry this woman. That alone doesn't make sense, right? And it has people divided because some people believe that if you can't love me with my child, I'm not going to get married to you. If you can't love me with my child, then you don't love me. That's what a lot of people think, right? But some of them have their own reasons. I don't know what her reasons are. Even throughout the years, I've been following them. She was posting her son was posting her. Like, the son didn't seem angry, so I suppose there was some kind of understanding and proper organization in taking care of that child. And I'm sure she was highly present in her son's life. It shows that she really did not abandon him. So then Musamseleko went to Umangwabe, basically asking her to ask Khumalo to unblock him because she unblocked him and he has no way communication with his third wife Khumalo, right? And I just wondered that, does he really want Khumalo to unblock him so that he can communicate with her and fix things? Or does he want Khumalo to unblock him because he feels financially blocked? Because remember, Khumalo is in the same position as Musamseleko. She pays for the stuff of the other wives. She took care of the bill, the hospital bill for Musamseleko when he was in hospital. At that time, she did not even think twice. She said, no, it's okay. The other wives will pay me back. But for now, let's just make sure that we pay the money. There is no wife who said, I will pay for the hospital bill and then we guys can pay me. It was her who stood up and said that because she cared for his well-being, right? And also, speaking about finances, Khumalo wants no involvement regarding taking care of her 2K wife of Umakwela. She wants no involvement. Khumalo basically said, you can marry anyone you want, I don't care, but don't take the wife from my own village. And he did exactly that. Not only did he do that, but he also disrespected her. And that is one thing that Khumalo just didn't want, and she was sick and tired. And now that she is so independent and she doesn't have to say yes to everything, it kind of stresses Musamseleko because Tobile used to be the submissive wife. Now Tobile is like all the other wives. So guys, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll keep on updating you guys. I will see you on my next video.